Well, how do the chums? I'm in the garden, and I'm just catching up with Ivy and her dad. They've been doing a lot of pruning and sorting out the garden. I'll show you around.
We're going to harvest na yung ating Going to harvest na yung cherry kasi natutuyo na. At kailangan i-trim. Dami. Ang walis tingting ni Daddy.
May pandakot, ala namang walis.
Ay, kukunin ko pala yung brush, Daddy. Brush na lang. Isang brush ulit.
Sabi sa mga nila, daras yung ginagamit dito.
Eh, wala nga kami walis tingting. Wala kasing nyug dito. Yan ang meron dito, yung plastic na brush. Okay, isa-isa yan. Ako, kinakamay ko yung bawat sulok ko ng mga bato na yan. Ayan, oh. Walang walis tingting. Ito, maganda.
Sa mami mo, kinakamay lang din.
Isa-isa.
Sa isang dahon. Para kang hapon dito. Ang hapon, tinutusok eh.
Ay, yung isa-isang ganon.
Para matutusukin niya. Malaliit na yan.
Ayan. So there's still net on the other side. And then we're going to remove it because there's some leaves growing up. We need to remove the net before harvest. Ito ang we're gonna remove this to get the net out, and then we can harvest those cherries.
Well, they've cut all the trees at the top, but look at all these cherries here. Wow, they look like they come straight out of the supermarket. Some of them are dark red as well. Look at these. Wow.
Look at these.
Wow.
And it's shiny.
So, are you going to turn these into a jam, or are you going to just eat them as is?
Eat.
Well done, Daddy.
Hey,
You're not tired?
you know what? I'm noise.
You're doing good. I was getting some pictures of her dad doing the pruning.
Oh.
Very cool.
Daddy,
Okay, you're going to start harvesting the cherries then.
Okay, Daddy, let's harvest. Tanggalin mo na. Ay na, sige na, Daddy. Sige.
Okay. Okay.
Sarap mag-harvest.
There we go. Slowly getting full.
Mababa. Si Steve yung taas. Steve, you're gonna harvest the higher one.
Higher
Daddy is
ones.
harvesting the higher.
Okay.
Wow.
I'll reach up here then.
Eh,
Yung mga
I'll film you, Steven.
Oh yeah. Whoops.
Okay, you do the upper.
That's okay, it's okay. I'll just get you guys harvesting. I can always get the high ones later. Are you leaving any small ones?
No, all of them are ripe, so it's okay.
Really small.
papulap.
Oh, well, the birds will get it. Oh, this color, maybe not yet. Maybe tomorrow or the next day.
I'm leaving the ones with holes in this.
Ang dami. So, where? Oh, here is there's a higher up there. Oh, I can reach this, I think. Or here.
Ito kabila yan. Oh my God.
Oh, my throat. Yeah. Oh, makit na si Daddy, oh. Sige. Oh, asan na? Wow. You just reach it.
Did it? That one's got a hole in there, look.
It's alright.
Sure?
Yeah. In the middle there, over there.
Come on, a little bit withered.
Wow.
very good one anyway.
Is it not?
Yeah.
Oh, the highest. You got 5 in that.
There you go.
Oh, that's a lot.
There you are.
Yes, a lot of fruit. Next time is the pear, the plums.
Well, chums, there's still loads to go, but I've got all the high ones. The basket's getting rather full now. Yeah, I think Ivy and her dad should be able to get the rest. Yeah, we'll be catching up once they've harvested them all.
there's more on
I'll
the
show you
other
how
tree.
many there are. Yeah, there's some on this tree as well. Not as many on this tree. And they all seem to be quite low down.
Dati dami nang na-harvest eh, oh. Dati masyak ba sa harvest natin? Eh, marami tayong kakainin. Ay, kumakain na, oh. Dami. Papakin na natin yan. Ako, dami na. Dati, kakamakain na, oh. So, we left some of the cherries here. I think this is not ripe yet. Some of them are not ripe yet. So, dati, this one, did you see this in Costco? Ganitong kulay, 10 pounds, isang pack. Ang mahal. So, dito, free. Free and organic. Look, it's shiny. Ang dami, oh. Every year yan, nagbubunga. Daming bunga pa. Ay, meron pa palang green. There's a green pa, oh, dati, oh. Meron pa. So, anyway, guys, ang dami nang na-harvest ni Daddy at saka si Steve. I'm so happy ang dami na bunga nung isa. I'm so happy that the other cherry is lots of fruits. And Daddy will enjoy the cherries. Oh, may sibuyas pa daw si Daddy, oh.
Oh, yan, sibuyas.
Sibuyas.
Pulat puti.
Dami.
Pulati meron.
Ano ba yung bawang, de? May bawang pa?
La,
Ala, oo, puti talaga yon. Yung binili
eh,
ko.
tinatawag sa Pilipinas, pulati.
Ah, pulate. Tapos pula. Tsaka yellow. Oh, dami. So, tapos na ang ating pag-harvest ng ating, tawag dito ng cherry. Medyo mahirap-hirap din mag-harvest pero okay lang kasi kailangan namin tanggalin ang net at saka yung mga ibang dahon na tuyo na. But anyway, successful and worth it ang aming paghihirap. Especially si Daddy at saka si Kuya Edel, sila ang naglagay ng net para ma-prevent ang mga predator ng ating cherry. Daddy, magtatanim ba kayo sa Pilipinas noon? Kakayanin?
Dadala kung may
Buto.
buto, eh lang, hindi subukan kung tutubo rin.
Okay. That's your cherries. Oh. It's sweet. Hope you like it. You're welcome. Sarap. Dati, ubusin natin to, ah. Ang dami.
Pagbilangan mo.
Nakakagalawan. Yan, yung buto. So, dati, first time makakain ng, cherry. Dati, first time makakain ng cherry. Sa Pilipinas, walang cherry. Ang nabibili mo lang nasa, nasa lata. Pagkapasko.
Hindi ko alam.
Meron sa lata, pagkapasko, lalagay sa mga, sa mga fruit salad, gano'n. Pampakulay lang. Ang tamis. Sarap.
Hindi ko napakita sa kanila kanina ito.
Hindi mo nakakita? Hindi makikita nila sa video. Papakita daw ni Daddy sa kapatid niya. Hello, Tita Lisa. Shout out. Shout out ka. Daddy, shout out. Shout out ka sa mga... Daddy, shout out ka sa mga kapatid mo. Tita Lisa. Hello, Tita Noemi. Tita Becca. Tita Miriam. Tito Abby. Sino pa?
Sabi na sa Amerika.
O nga, sino pa yung mga kapatid mo din yung shout out mo?
Hindi sila lang.
Sino nga mga pangalan? Sabihin mo naman.
Si Dani, sa Batanes.
Hmm.
Si Miriam. Ay,
London.
Sa London. Si,
Asawa ni Uncle Sam.
si ano,
Lily, at Tita Lily.
Mother Lily, how are you? Hindi na makita yun. Ay, pupunta ko yata si Lisa lang. Kuha ng bigas.
Lag. Ang sarap, ang lutong-lutong pa. Marami pa kami pipitasin. Kuya Edel, sabi ko sa'yo, pumunta ka na dito, may pipitasin ka pa. Pero pipitasin na namin ni Daddy na tira. Sarap magmukbang nito Mami,
Kumusta ba si ano?
sino?
Ate Riling? Buhay pa ba? Inoperahan yun eh.
Asa mo si Ate Riling? Oh, get well, Ate Riling. Ang sarap. Mami, nandito ka, enjoy mo to. Si Mami ang mahilig sa prutas. Ayaw pumunta dito. Sarap. Busin natin.
Manghilo na ako.
Bakit? Sige, tatapusin natin video. Yan, natikman na ni Daddy yung cherry. Ang sarap. At saka matamis. Masarap umani ng sarili mong prutas. Di ba, Daddy?
Oh. Okay.
So it's nice to have your own fruits in your backyard. You can harvest fresh, organic. And also, walang fertilizer to. Just water lang. So you can harvest this every single year. So next year again. So minsan lang siya mamunga. So once a year fruiting to. Ang sarap. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. Me and my dad harvesting and Steve of our cherry. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe, Daddy. So go subscribe
Subscribe
and hit like.
and taste this cherry fruit. Okay?
Hit
Bye!
like. Nagbabay na. Bye! Please comment down below. Hello all. Sino ba? Daddy, i-shout out mo naman si yung kaibigan na, yung our friend. Shout out to our friend. Si Richardson. What's her name? Yung may-ari ng vineyard. So, we're going to the vineyards next time. Yeah. Bye everyone! Bye na.
Bye! Gabi na.
Naaga pa din.
Alas eh.
Thank you very much for watching Manila London. We now have a merch store with quite a lot on offer. Take a look at our Teespring from our channel page. Or you can hit a like, a subscribe or one of these tiles and stay with Manila London that little bit longer. Thank you for watching.